Hi, I am Damanjeet Singh. I'm the product manager here at Qualcomm, uh, focusing on industrial and edge AI platforms. Here we are demonstrating a factory inspection setup put together by Qualcomm, Edge Impulse, and Qt. Uh, Qualcomm brings a powerful edge AI hardware platforms. Qt brought cool graphical interface, and then Edge Impulse provided the AI models. And when these three entities came together to put this setup together, what we ended up with is providing a convenient way for our customers and developers to access AI in the factory setting. So let me show you what is going on here, right? We have one line. There are 4 factory lines being controlled by our hardware, IQ9 hardware. This IQ9, Dragonwing IQ9 hardware has 8 octa-core high-performance CPUs, a very powerful GPU, and can provide up to 100 TOPS of AI performance. In addition, it can operate in wide temperature range. So its junction temperature can be from -40 to all the way up to 115 degrees centigrade. What it means is this can be operated in very harsh environments. So it could be a factory setting, it could be in an energy, substation setting or anything like that. And as you see, there is no fan right now. So it's doing a fanless operation. It's controlling at this time 4 factory lines, right? So you will see we are demonstrating one line here, but you will see in our Edge Impulse booth that we are showing multiple lines over there too. And right now, what I'll show you is what is happening in the line 1, which is being demonstrated here. I click on the camera view. So here I have some objects to show you what, you know, the live demonstration. So this was a defective piece. This was a regular piece, defective, checked by our IQ9 AI models. And it can detect how many objects are being checked, what is defective, what is not defective. In addition, right, we have another platform being demonstrated, which is IQ6 platform, where HMI device has been developed, right? Again, the idea is that one device, a powerful edge AI device, IQ9 platform, can do this factory automation, but an operator could be mobile, could be wherever, and can access all the data on an HMI device based on IQ6, which is highly power efficient. In addition, we have some amount of AI here too, so not any operator can access this device. So we have an access control implemented here where the IQ6 platform is doing face detection, allowing access to the operator. So you see my picture over here because I unlocked this device. And with that, you can see what is going on. Another cool thing we are showing here is that, we have one powerful platform like IQ9 on a factory floor. And you can leverage this power of AI not just from the device, but also from a device like an HMI, which is running on IQ6. So IQ6 may not have all the 100 TOPS of AI performance, but it can leverage the AI performance of the device which is on the floor and thereby give you results that are not seen before. For example, now as we are moving from what is happening to machines telling us what to do about it, right? We are moving more towards a prescriptive intelligence now. And this is what is being demonstrated, where IQ6 on this, you see an AI chatbot here, which is actually running on IQ9, but here I can send a prompt to IQ9 and ask, hey, what's going on the factory line, right? So for example, I can say, suggest me a maintenance break. What should I be doing about it? And you see, this prompt was sent from IQ6 to IQ9, and the response came back telling me what I need to do. So it's not about just what is happening, but it is also telling me what to do about it, right? And this is happening because we have a large language models running on IQ9, again, because of the high AI performance. In addition, we have security camera view as well, right? So we can detect if their safety standards are being met. For example, if someone is in the safety area, whether they are wearing hat or they are wearing the vest, they are in the proper gear or not. So this is what you see. You see myself, a few other folks here, and it will tell you if there's something wrong. So in the end, just to summarize, what we have is a powerful edge AI platform doing multiple lines defect detection. In addition, we have an IQ6 platform running a human-machine interface device and connecting with IQ9 platform, giving you all the information, leveraging the AI performance of IQ9. And we have the PPE also running on IQ9. All this put together with a cool graphical user interface and with the AI models available from Edge Impulse, and this is ready to go. So any customer or developer who's interested can just take it and get started with it. So we are making this Edge AI, powerful Edge AI, easy to use.